Before you renew your Florida homeowners insurance, there are 5 things you should check. Some homeowners automatically renew the same policy every year without reviewing their discounts, deductibles, roof information, or coverage limits. That can be an expensive mistake. Your premium depends on your property, insurer, location, coverage, inspection results, and several other factors, so there is no guarantee that every strategy in this video will lower your price. But these 5 steps can help you identify missed discounts, avoid unnecessary costs, and make a more informed decision before renewal. Stay until the end because the final step is one of the easiest to overlook, and it could reveal that your insurance company has outdated information about your home. Let's begin with number 1. The first step is simple. Do not assume your current insurance company is still offering you the best price. Insurance companies evaluate risk differently. One carrier may be comfortable insuring your property, while another may charge more because of your location, roof age, construction type, or previous claims in the surrounding area. That means 2 companies can quote very different prices for a similar level of coverage. Before your renewal date, contact an independent insurance agent or request quotes from several authorized insurers. Compare more than just the yearly premium. Look at the dwelling coverage limit, personal property coverage, liability coverage, exclusions, hurricane deductible, other peril deductible, and whether the policy pays replacement cost or actual cash value in certain situations. The cheapest quote may not be the best deal if it removes important coverage or gives you a much larger deductible. Florida's Office of Insurance Regulation also offers a rate comparison resource called Choices, which is designed to help consumers compare rate information and understand the importance of shopping for suitable coverage. Start comparing before your policy expires. Waiting until the last minute can leave you with fewer choices and less time to complete inspections or submit documents. One of the most important potential savings opportunities in Florida is a wind mitigation inspection. This inspection documents features that may help your home resist wind damage during a hurricane or severe storm. The inspector may review your roof shape, roof covering, roof-to-wall connections, wall construction, doors, windows, skylights, storm shutters, and parts of the attic. Qualifying wind-resistant features may include hurricane shutters, impact-resistant openings, stronger roof connections, and certain roof designs or construction methods. Citizens and Florida insurance regulators explain that documented wind mitigation features may qualify homeowners for premium credits or discounts. However, those discounts generally apply to the wind portion of the premium, not necessarily the entire insurance bill. That distinction is important. A wind mitigation discount does not automatically mean your total premium will drop by the same percentage. Still, depending on your home and existing credits, it may create meaningful savings. If you already had an inspection completed several years ago, check whether it still reflects your current property. Maybe you replaced the roof. Maybe you installed impact windows. Maybe you upgraded the garage door or added approved shutters. Citizens advises homeowners who update mitigation features to notify their agent and submit updated documentation, because a new inspection may be needed before eligible discounts can be applied. Do not assume the insurer automatically knows about improvements you made. Ask your agent which mitigation credits currently appear on your policy and what documentation would be required to update them. Your roof can have a major influence on your insurance options. Insurers may consider the roof's age, covering material, condition, permits, remaining useful life, and ability to withstand wind. Before renewal, gather all available roof documents. These may include permits, invoices, inspection reports, proof of replacement, photographs, and records of repairs. Check whether your insurance company has the correct roof year listed. An incorrect roof age can potentially affect eligibility, available discounts, or the number of companies willing to quote your home. If your roof was replaced or substantially updated, make sure your agent has the supporting paperwork. Citizens uses roof and 4-point inspection forms to evaluate property condition and determine whether a home meets its eligibility guidelines. A 4-point inspection commonly focuses on 4 major systems: the roof, electrical, plumbing, and heating and air conditioning. Older homes are more likely to be asked for this type of inspection. Do not attempt to hide damage or misrepresent the condition of the property. Instead, use inspections as an opportunity to identify problems before they turn into larger repair costs or insurance issues. Also remember that replacing a roof only to reduce an insurance bill may not always make financial sense. A roof is a major expense. Compare the likely insurance impact against the actual cost and remaining condition of the roof before making a decision. Increasing a deductible can sometimes lower an insurance premium, but it also means you may have to pay more out of pocket when a covered loss occurs. Florida homeowners may have more than one deductible. There may be a standard deductible for certain losses and a separate hurricane deductible. Hurricane deductibles are often expressed as a percentage of the insured value of the home rather than as a small fixed dollar amount. For example, a 2% hurricane deductible on a home insured for $400,000 could mean an $8,000 deductible. That is why you should never select a deductible based only on the premium reduction. Ask yourself whether you could realistically pay that amount after a storm. Your declarations page provides an overview of important policy details, including coverage limits, deductibles, property characteristics, and credits applied to the policy. Read that page before renewal. Check every deductible and ask your agent to explain exactly when each one applies. You can request quotes using different deductible options and compare the yearly savings. Then decide whether the savings are worth the additional financial risk. The goal is not simply to choose the highest possible deductible. The goal is to find a deductible you could actually afford while maintaining a premium that fits your budget. This is the step many homeowners skip. Insurance companies price policies using information about the property. If that information is incomplete or outdated, you may not be receiving every credit for which the home qualifies. Review the policy and confirm details such as the year the home was built, the roof replacement year, roof material, square footage, construction type, security systems, smoke alarms, fire alarms, impact windows, storm shutters, garage door protection, updated plumbing, updated electrical systems, and any recent renovations. Then ask your agent directly, what discounts and credits are currently applied to my policy, and are there any additional discounts for which my home may qualify? Do not rely on assumptions. Some discounts may require an inspection, certificate, permit, receipt, photograph, or other proof. Also review whether bundling home and auto insurance creates actual savings. Bundling may be cheaper with some carriers, but not all. Compare the combined cost against purchasing the policies separately. While reviewing your coverage, make sure you understand what the policy does not cover. For example, most standard homeowners policies do not cover flooding. Florida's Office of Insurance Regulation encourages consumers to consider separate flood coverage because flooding is generally excluded from ordinary homeowners policies. Removing important coverage simply to lower the premium can create a much larger financial problem later. The goal should be to eliminate unnecessary costs without creating dangerous coverage gaps. Do not wait until a few days before renewal. Start reviewing your insurance approximately 30 to 60 days ahead of time. That gives you time to request competing quotes, schedule inspections, find missing permits, submit updated documentation, correct inaccurate property information, and ask detailed questions before making a decision. Keep copies of your policy, inspection reports, roof records, photographs, receipts, and communications with your agent. Organized documentation can make renewal and future claims easier. Here are the 5 steps again. Number 1. Compare multiple companies and policies. Number 2. Get or update your wind mitigation inspection. Number 3. Review your roof information and property records. Number 4. Evaluate your deductibles carefully. And number 5. Verify your property details and ask about every available discount. None of these steps guarantees a lower premium. Insurance pricing depends on the individual home, insurer, coverage, location, claims history, market conditions, and other underwriting factors. But reviewing these areas can help you avoid renewing blindly and may reveal savings or errors that would otherwise be missed. Before making changes, speak with a licensed insurance professional and make sure you fully understand the effect on your coverage. Now I want to hear from you. What is the biggest increase you have seen on a Florida homeowners insurance renewal? Leave your old premium and new premium in the comments, and subscribe to Policy Explained for clear videos about insurance costs, coverage, claims, deductibles, and ways to make smarter policy decisions. Thanks for watching.